from this is 909, you need to keep fucking doing music. Drop. I'm saying, bro. I'm not gonna be like, drop a song every day. You know what I mean? 'Cause I feel like that's unrealistic. But you're good at making music, bro. You got a talent. Keep that up, and especially this wave that you're on, the emo shit, the emo vibe. I love it, bro. I love it. It's good. It's working. It worked for me. You know what I mean? So if I like it, somebody else is gonna like it. And my best advice to you would be, keep it up, keep grinding. You know what I mean? And don't let no motherfucker tell you can't. Get back in that shit, big pimpin'. Get back in that shit, big pimpin'. Shit.